Hello everyone, welcome back. I thought I'd do an unboxing of some stuff because the Amazon man just left, and just a slight unboxing. And I'm going to also show you how I make wax melts, since I need to make a few cents because I've sold out. And thank you for joining me, and let's get to work. Okay, so this first package, I just ordered this like yesterday, and I'm going to oh, I wanted to show you my Girl on a Mission shirt from Angela Jasmine. Thank you, boo. Just some stuff for the house, some sockets. This will help with the power down here. I only have like three outlets on this side of my basement, so this will help with power distribution. I also got some more silicone hot hands. I call them hot hands. They're oven mitts. And oven mitts, and let me get scissors for this one. Something I can put the pouring pictures on for when I make my wax melts. I used to just use microfiber cloths, but I'd rather have something more protecting my surfaces. So I got these. Let's see. Also, oh, one more thing. Just some popsicle sticks to hold my, for my project that I told y'all I wanted it to be a surprise, but I kind of let the cat out the bag when I was showing you around in my tour. So they're popsicle sticks, but they have a hole drilled in them. So I'm going to use that for my project. Okay. Oh yeah, I got some more balls over there. Let's see what this is. Like, I ordered so much stuff from Amazon. I don't think I'm doing anything else for a while, but you know how that goes day by day. My silicone needles. So this will definitely tell you what my project is, but got some molds. I don't know why I wanted to package like this. The other one isn't. Like Christmas. Silicone molds. And this will definitely tell you what I'm going to make. So, I can't wait. I have these in another one. I have these ones too. So, I'm going to make some stuff with those. Can't wait to get a video started for you. I'm gonna put these. So that was in one box. And let's see what we got here. One's kind of heavy. I don't know. This isn't my package. It's my husband's. I'll leave that for him to open. I don't want to spoil any surprises or anything. This feels like another silicone mold. Did I? I'll leave. And oh no, these are my silicone beakers. these will come in handy. Something reusable, you know, cut down on my plastic use. And the last package. It's not for me either, so I'll just leave that alone. Okay, so here I am unboxing my new printer. I decided to buy a new one because the old one wouldn't print on my labels, so here we go. call a wickless candle, and I can either use this for testing or I can sell it as is. But it smells amazing. It's scented in Baja Cactus Blossom, and it smells so good. I can smell it standing back this far. It's not even still hot, it's warm. I mean, it's cool to the touch, and I can't wait to start testing on this. Well, that was my day. I made wax melts, and I made a lot of them. I ran out of damn clamshells. So I guess I'll see y'all next time, next video. Thanks for watching.